Beautiful soul, welcome. Today we are talking about the missing piece to manifesting your dream life. If you're someone who is watching all the YouTube videos on how to manifest your dream life, you are doing all the techniques out there, journaling, scripting, visualizing, meditating, and so on. And yet your life is not looking the way you want. You're not witnessing in 3D physical reality the manifestation of your dream. You need to watch this video. I used to think that in order for me to manifest my dream life, including dream partner, dream house, dream job, dream income, the lifestyle of my dreams, family, baby, everything, I need to do more of the inner work, if you will. I used to think that I need to go on more retreats. I used to think I need to attend more workshops and seminars. I used to think I need to hire more coaches and so on. And the more I was doing the work, I kind of lost myself in the information overload. But there was the one thing that was missing all along, which is the foundation of your manifestation. And that is self-love. Self-love equals to self-worth. And you cannot manifest out of luck. You can only manifest what you are vibrational matched to. And if you love yourself, you absolutely accept yourself fully as you are. That being said, you allow great things to come to you, including divine partnership, including the dream income, dream job, dream house. Basically, when I look at my life, what was missing was not more information, not more guidance, not more doing, not the hustling, the grinding, trying to manifest it. What was really missing was self-love. And when I started to love myself more, that is exactly when my world opened up and I started to manifest differently, different things. And because I was matching different frequency of being, and this different frequency of being was the foundation of new life, new timeline, if you will. And the moment I actually realized that it's not about going on more dates, it's not about searching for the one. Instead, it's about accepting and loving myself for the way I am in this moment, perfect, without me trying to change anything. And that was actually when my frequency started to change. And that was actually when I went within and I started to just pay attention to me, my higher self, my intuition, and my heart. And that was actually when my heart opened up. And that was when I entered the frequency of love, because I no longer needed to have a partner to fulfill me, because I was fulfilled on my own. And that's exactly when he showed up in my life, effortlessly, without me doing anything. Same happened with my work, with my business. The amount of money you make is a reflection of what you allow. When you feel safe, you need to feel safe with making 3 times or 5 times more the income you're making now. You need to feel safe to receive more. When you're not feeling safe to receive more, you will sabotage that manifestation, because there is a subconscious fear that is blocking you to receive more. I actually understood that me being able to receive more, it is about accepting myself, my value that I offer, seeing that value. As I was able to see that value, then I was not feeling the guilt anymore for asking for more, for asking and setting premium prices and so on. And that's how I was able to manifest more. Same applies to living in your dream house, experiencing your dream lifestyle. When you feel some sort of guilt or not enoughness to experience that in your life, you're not going to manifest. It comes down to accepting that new life where you are experiencing it all. And this is so connected with your self-worth and your self-love. That is the foundation of it. If you allow it to be manifested in your life, that's when you actually assume it. That's when it can come to you without you interfering. That's when you actually surrender your ego. It's about allowing and opening up and to receive more in every area of your life without guilt or fear. And therefore, the missing piece always is self-love. And there are people talking about self-love, and for years I didn't even know what does it mean. But basically, self-love, it is connected to not just you, but also to that a larger part of you, that divine part of you that is actually connected to source. It's about feeling it and being aware of it. And as a result of that, feeling grateful for this experience, blessed for this experience in this physical body. And this feeling gives you that acceptance of the best that you can experience in this lifetime. Because why not? So it's about awakening to that greater part of you that is connected to source, divine intelligence. And as you awaken to that part of you, then you realize that it was there all along, waiting for you to discover it. And once you feel it, you are basically unstoppable, unlimited. And that's actually when you start feeling like you want to experience life to the fullest. And if you can actually, and you want to experience life to the fullest, why not choosing life of your dreams? Why not going big? Why settling? Now, at that point, you know you are co-creator of your life. You have the power to co-create anything you want. And that is again connected to that self-love. So the self-love, in my opinion, is about self-discovery. It's about that awakening to the larger part of you that is actually guiding you all along and is showing you where to go and what to do. And it wants you to have it all in this lifetime. So you stop sabotaging, you stop fearing, you open up to receive more love, more money, more wealth, more abundance, more freedom. And then you accept it. And as you accept it, you assume it, and it will come to you, because that's when you become that frequency. You first need to accept it and become it before you see it in physical reality. As you do that, it will come, it will manifest, it will show up in your life. But without that first, without that acceptance, without that assumption, without that loving who you are and giving yourself that opportunity to experience life to the fullest in every area of your life, you won't be able to experience it. So it starts with allowing, and that allowing, it is connected to self-love, and it's connected to knowing who you are, to knowing that you're not just this body, not just this identity, not just this persona, but you are connected to that larger part of you that is connected to source, part of you that you can only feel when you silence the mind, when you actually create space in your life. And that's how you can actually reconnect, whatever it is for you. It could be a walk in the nature, it could be a meditation, it could be anything, whatever works for you, but cultivate that daily, because that is how you will know that it's not just you, that separated identity from the rest. And that's actually that realization, that awakening will help you to manifest your wildest dreams. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one.